Scar, Mufasa's brother, was one bad dude. He wanted to be king, but like really badly. So, he tricked Simba, got rid of Mufasa, not cool Scar, and took over the Pride Lands. Scar wasn't a very good king. He was selfish and only cared about himself. The Pride Lands became a total mess. Droughts, famines, you name it. It was like one of those post-apocalyptic movies, but with like way more lions. One day, Scar saw Simba again. Simba was all grown up and ready to fight for his rightful place as king. Scar was like, oh crap, this is bad. But then something weird happened. Scar actually felt bad. He realized he'd been a real jerk. What have I done? Scar thought. He knew he had to make things right. The battle for Pride Rock was about to go down. Simba and Scar circled each other, roaring like nobody's business. Just when it looked like Scar was going to throw down, he did something totally unexpected. He dropped to his knees and said, "Wait, I can't fight you, Simba. I'm your uncle, remember?" Simba was all confused. What was Scar up to? Before Simba could react, Scar yelled, "Run, Simba! It's a trap!" Scar then bravely jumped in front of Simba just as the hyenas were about to pounce. Turns out Scar had set up a whole ambush to take out Simba, but now he was risking his own neck to save his nephew. Simba couldn't believe it. Was Scar really doing this? The hyenas were shocked too. Scar had never cared about anyone but himself. They were all like, whoa, character development. Simba was hesitant at first, but he saw the sincerity in Scar's eyes. He knew Scar was truly sorry for his past deeds. Simba helped Scar up and said, "I forgive you, Uncle Scar." The hyenas, seeing Scar's change of heart, decided to give him a second chance too. They knew they had been pretty awful to the Pride Lands, and they wanted to make things right. With everyone working together, they were able to drive away the rest of Scar's evil cronies, who turned out to be just as cowardly as the hyenas once Scar was out of the picture. Peace was restored to the Pride Lands. Life in the Pride Lands was good again. Simba was a wise and just king, just like his father. But here's the kicker, Scar actually became a good guy. He learned from his mistakes and used his smarts to help Simba rule the Pride Lands. He even started a mentorship program for young lions, teaching them about responsibility and the importance of family. The Pride Lands were more prosperous than ever before. They were rolling in grubs and gazelle steaks. It was a real party. And to think, it all happened because Scar decided to turn his life around. It just goes to show, even grumpy old lions can change their stripes. Get it? Stripes! Because they're lions? All right, I'll stop now.